How to build a community pantry, brought to you by Great Stuff. For this project, you'll need the following: PPE, tools, materials, and your preferred Great Stuff foam sealant. Click the link in the description for full list and blueprints. Start by measuring and cutting all the pieces you'll need. Then, cut out your side panels. Be sure to add a 7-degree bevel along bottom sections and shelves. This is also a great time to paint or treat your wood for extra longevity and color. Apply wood glue wherever 2 wood surfaces meet. Then, secure it with brad nails. 5 is the magic number here. For the shelves, make sure each cut is beveled to match the body of the pantry. Mark where your second shelf will go for easy, level installation. Cut the wood into a picture frame for your plexiglass. Add a 1/8 inch dado to the inner part of the frame to hold the plexiglass, and bevel an inner lip for extra weatherproofing. Then, just assemble the doors, attach your hinges and knobs, and install. Next, glue and hammer your roof in, and then secure shingles with nails or screws, no longer than 3/4 of an inch. Next, drive a screw through the ceiling, penetrating the center of the roof. Then assemble your chimney, and use your can of Great Stuff foam to fill it to about halfway. Make sure to install the chimney before the foam cures, and weigh it down to prevent shifting. Planters add a nice flair to your pantry. Just assemble your planters, install your anchor, and mount your planters to each anchor. Get out your can of Great Stuff foam and fill the basin of each planter, and let it cure until tack-free before adding the plants of your choice. To mount your pantry to the post, add a 1x4 cleat to the foot of the pantry. Then drop the cleat between the 2x4 base supports and finish it off with some sturdy screws. Now just add whatever finishing touches you like, and then you'll be ready to install. For best results, place your pantry somewhere the whole community can use. Then stock it and give yourself a pat on the back. Learn more about the Great Pantry Project by visiting our website.